Understanding air vent. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into the English language to understand a common phrase you might come across, air vent. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of its meaning and how to use it. Let's dive right in. The phrase, air vent, consists of two words, air and vent. 1. Air. This refers to the invisible gaseous substance that surrounds the Earth, a mixture mainly of oxygen and nitrogen. We breathe it in, and it's vital for life. 2. Vent. This word can be used in various contexts, but when combined with air, it typically means an opening or outlet through which air can enter or exit a space. So, an air vent is essentially an opening or outlet designed for the passage of air. Air vents can be found in various places, but they all serve a fundamental purpose: circulation and ventilation. Here are some examples. 1. In buildings. Air vents help circulate fresh air, maintaining a comfortable environment and preventing the buildup of stale or polluted air. 2. In vehicles. Cars often have air vents to provide heating or cooling to passengers and to ensure the windshield remains clear. 3. Electronics. Devices like computers or gaming consoles might have air vents to allow hot air to escape, preventing overheating. To help you further grasp the concept, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. Make sure to clean the air vent regularly to prevent dust accumulation. 2. The air vent in my car isn't working, so it gets foggy inside during winters. 3. Never block the air vent of your laptop. It needs it to cool down. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, air vent. It's a simple yet important term that plays a vital role in our daily lives, ensuring we have fresh air to breathe and our devices remain cool. We hope you found this explanation helpful and can now confidently use and understand the term. Stay curious and keep learning.